The All Parties Hurriyat conference has strongly condemned the brutalization of Kashmiri youth in the garb of relentless cordon and search operations by Indian troops in nook and corner of occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The APHC leadership, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the rapidly changing realities in the region warrant an immediate intervention by the international community to resolve the Kashmir dispute as per UN resolutions. The leadership condemned the cruel laws employed by the Modi regime in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to punish the Kashmiri people for demanding the right to self-determination. Families of several youth illegally detained by India this year under Draconian Public Safety Act have revealed that their kin had gone incommunicable after being shifted from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to outside jails in India. Some helpless families have decided to knock the doors of the Indian Supreme Court to trace the whereabouts of their dear ones. Syed Musab, a lawyer in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir High Court, said an order from the India's apex court to the respondents would be sought to ensure that their families could access to the youth detained at undisclosed locations. People's Democratic President Mehbooba Mufti, in her tweets in Srinagar, lashed out at the ongoing Indian President Ramnath Kovind for being instrumental in fulfilling the BJP's political agenda. She mentioned the scrapping of Article 370, the enacting of Citizenship Amendment Act, and the targeting of minorities as some of the major crimes wherein Ramnath Kovind colluded with the ruling BJP in India. She also condemned the Modi government for forcing Kashmiri people to buy the Indian flag ahead of its Independence Day on August 15. An Indian Border Security Force sub-inspector committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle at his post in Jammu district.